everybody. Really quite excited today because I sort of feel this is the next step in my drone flying FPV venture. Today I am driving out to a friend's house. He's invited me to come and fly with him and possibly another guy. And this will be the first time that I've been in the air with at least anybody. So not really sure what to expect. I'm not massively familiar with switching my VTX channel, but I do know how to do it, obviously, thanks to Michael. We're on the way out. I have no idea what to expect. I have never met this guy. I have only ever had text messages from him. So no idea. He's definitely very knowledgeable from the conversations that we've had on text, and he's invited me out. We're going to have a bit of a fly around, set out a bit of a circuit, and have some fun. I don't know on the plates. Yeah, dual carriageway, let's go. So I've arrived at Dave's, and this guy, he's got some knowledge. He's got some really cool toys as well. So we've had a coffee now, we've had a chat, we've had a look at some of his toys. We're going to nip out and have a fly, and hopefully not break anything, and see how we go. Stay tuned. So here in a very breezy Lincolnshire, we've me and Dave have set a course out, obviously down to the bottom flag, and then on the way up through the hoop up to the top flag, and then on the way down negotiate the hex, the H rather. So very basic, simple course. We've done a couple of line of sight flies and a couple of FPV flights now, so we're ready for it. We've got our little launch pads here We're not really particularly racing, but it's going to be good fun to try and follow each other. Really looking forward to this, so we'll see how it all pans out. Okay, I don't know why I'm putting the seatbelt on, I'm on the farm. Tea break, coffee break, lunch. That has been absolutely fantastic. Dave seems to be a sound guy. We've had the circuit doing the loops. He's a little bit unexperienced with flying through the hoops, whereas I've had a bit more experience on that, but he's been now smashing through the loops without a problem. His turns are much sharper and faster than mine, and I'm struggling a little bit with the wind direction change, pushing me high on the back winds and pushing me low on the headwinds, but it's all coming together. We're going to grab a coffee, we're going to charge a couple of packs up. I'm going to crack open Betafly and just do some changes to my rooster. Unfortunately the Alien 210, whatever it is I fly, looks like it's blowing its VTX, so that is game over, but fortunately out with the spare quad, so everything's saved. Speak to you all soon, keep tuned. Okay, so I'm on my way home now. Absolutely brilliant day flying at Dave's. I've never met the guy before, and he's absolutely second. He had a few slightly different goals than what I had today. He hasn't been hitting gates very easily, but yet has been flying at really steep angles and very fast, and I'm pretty much the opposite. I've been flying slower technical stuff, not so inverted, and we've both rubbed off on each other a little bit today. So he's been hitting gates, I'm just backing off the power and the speed a bit, and I've been cranking it forward a little bit harder. So we've both really enjoyed it. It's the first time for both of us to fly with somebody else. I did find it quite strange to be concentrating on my fly, but hear something zip past, which wasn't mine. That
that was a bit strange. Or when one of us clicked the flags or the gates, it didn't sort of correspond to what we was doing. It's because neither of us were used to having someone else flying at the same time. But nevertheless, there will be another flying session very soon. We both thoroughly enjoyed it. So we could have done with a little bit less wind, but we can't control certain things. But what a top day. I think I've gone through 12 batteries, maybe 13. I think Dave got to similar numbers and then just started crashing left, right and centre. So that's when you know it's definitely time to call it a day. But no, absolutely top day. Dave, if you're watching this, thanks very much, buddy. This has been brilliant. Michael, Rooster flew brilliant. A couple of little technical things that we'll go over, no doubt. But no, that's brilliant. Thanks everybody for watching. If you've watched it right to the end, I appreciate it. Take care.